So this is it. It's my bittersweet experience today because it's my last day over here. It's time to say goodbye. But goodbye, is it even a word to describe how I'm feeling right now with the emotions and the feelings? I'm so overwhelmed, feeling happy and unhappy at the same time, thinking about how much this place has provided me and living a slow life what I have craved for very long time. I am smiling right now, but internally I am feeling quite sad about it. This place has given me so much that I have ever imagined living a minimalist life, cooking food, visiting my family, having local food, celebrating occasions and birthdays with my loved ones and myself, and revisiting my childhood memories, places where I've actually been grown up. Alone times which revolve around nature like an amazing sunset, fresh air, fresh food, and amazing landscapes which I have craved for in a city life. I have spent times with myself to find out what I really want in my life, my desires feeling driven towards my goals, and moments of solitude to know what I actually want in my life. And what else? I had the opportunity to connect with my roots, the cultural food, and the way I have been so flexible over here, doing things which I love. The main important thing is that I gave myself that enough amount of time where I actually found I can also survive in a slow life. I can also create a space where I would really find myself very comfortable with, and I can lead a life where I have like abundance of food, fresh air, and everything which I have really thought of. Living in a city life made me feel so claustrophobic, so exhausted and suffocated within that I really wanted to understand what I will be comfortable with. And do you know, this experience has taught me to slow down in real life. This place has not been only a backdrop but also a chapter of growth, discovery, and so many cherished moments in my life. This whole Northeast is what I'm connected with. This is my actual roots. But one thing I have understood that even though you are born in a place जहाँ पर आप अपने अपना स्कूल कॉलेज जो भी किया है, but for growth you have to leave the place which you have loved so much during your childhood times. Like my whole of childhood or my whole of teenage has not been that good. If I have my kids, I would surely love to bring them back to my place and make them see where their mom has been brought up. I don't know where I will be going next, not knowing about the next step I'll be taking, not knowing about the next life I will be having. I have been growing constantly in this phase of life where I have been traveling a lot. I would not say exactly where I'll be because I don't know it by myself मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. But even though I am living a minimalist life where I have no worries about buying clothes or living a life where I have to run fast along with the pace, now I just want to take a break. Now I just want to relieve only memories. Say bye to your mom's place. Bye. I'll miss you. We will miss this place. We'll miss everything. How did you felt? Did you like it? Did you like my place? Did you like mom's place? Did you like it? Will you miss this place? Will you miss everything? Will you miss the birds? Will you miss the sunset? Will you miss fresh air? Will you miss going out in good places?